Hi everybody, hope you're enjoying your day off. Ava posted a question on Google Classroom and she needed help with number 17 on page 231. And what I want you guys to remember to be able to solve this is your ordered pairs. X is always your first number and Y is always your second number. X, you move along the X axis, and Y, to determine that, you move along the Y axis. So let's look at this and see where this ends up. So you move along your X axis, that's 5, and you go up 1, so your Y would be 1. This one would be your X would be 1, and your Y would be -1. Let's put them in parentheses. And the next one would be your X would be -1, and your Y would be 1, 2, -2. This one, your X is -3, and your Y is -3. And here we go, -5. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Okay, so now we know where all these points are located on the graph. And remember, when we were doing this in class, we created a chart, X and Y, and we can easily put them in this chart. 5, 1, 1, -1, -1, -2, -3, -3, -5, -4. Okay. So now what the question is asking you is A is Y equals X minus 1.5. B is Y equals X plus 1.5, or 1 5/10. C is Y equals 0.5x, 5/10 of an x, so that's, you're going to multiply that, minus 1.5, and D is Y equals 0.5 times x plus 1.5. So we have to see which one of these is true. So I'm going to erase my work up here. Give me some more room. And all you have to do to solve this is plug it in. And what I found with this problem is the easiest one to use is the first one. I love technology. Why is it doing this? The first one, because it's a whole number, and you could just plug them in. So let's look at A. Here's our Y. So they're saying 1 equals, I plug this number in for this, Y equals 1 equals, let's plug in the 5 minus 1.5. Solve it. 5 minus 1.5 is 3.5. That is not true. So we know that A cannot be the choice. Now all we have to do is go back and try the next one. Okay. Y is 1. Y is 1, so I plug that in there. X is 5 plus 1.5. Let's see if this is true. 5 plus 1.5 is 6.5. That is not true, so it can't be B. Let's try C. C is Y, which is 1, equals 0.5x, And in this case, wait, let me write this down. 1 equals 0.5. Our x is 5. So I'm going to multiply that minus 1.5. 1 equals 0.5 times 5 is 2.5 minus 1.5. 1 equals 0.5 minus 0.5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Whoops. 1 is equal to 1. So that is true, yes. So our answer is C. Let's just double check and do another one to make sure. Okay. Y equals 0.5, x plus 1.5. You know, you guys know it's not going to work, but so 1 equals 0.5 times 5 plus 1.5. 1 equals 2.5 plus 1.5. 1 equals 4. 2.5 plus 1.5 is 4. So no, that does not work. It cannot be D. So the answer to 17 is C. But just for fun, let's go try one of the other ordered pairs to see if it's true. Double check your work. I know you're probably sick of me saying that, but it's true. So let's try -5 and -4. So if y is -4, we're going to do 0.5 times -5 minus 1.5. So bring this down. 0.5 times -5 equals -2.5 minus 1.5. -4 equals -2.5 minus, so you're in the hole for 2.5. You're going to take away another 1.5. You're really going more into the hole, and it's a -4. So yes, it's true. I didn't circle that very well, but so you should be able to use any of these ordered pairs, plug it in for C, and it will work. Thank you. I hope that helped.